time for a banh mi cooking.
What are we cooking?
I don't know. Actually, we are cooking tofu.
Yay.
Okay, let's get the knife.
Okay,
Be
let's
very
keep it-
careful with this knife.
Be very careful with this knife.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2. That's a nice finger.
Okay, now how about
2, 1.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಬೋಲ್ ತಗೊಂಬಪ್ಪ
2,
ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬೋಲ್
3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Okay, funny. We did capsicum, we did onion, we did yellow capsicum, and now there's an onion piece over here. And we cut the tofu, if you see, right here. And the tofu's all cut. So last step is put some powder in it, mix it. So we're taking corn flour and putting it in here. So we're taking corn flour. Kind of spilled a little bit. But it kind of spilled a little bit.
It's okay. Take one more spoon and fix it.
And it, take some more corn flour. Just like that. Now we're
Enough.
done.
Yeah.
Mixing it. Today I'm a kid chef. And now my big thing is gonna help me. The mixinator is gonna help me. This big thing next to me is my mixinator. It helps me mix.
I'm your mixinator.
So, and my mixinator can talk. So that's the special thing about it. It can do what human can do. Bye. If you see over here, I have a big pan. So get the pan on this, on the fire. And then you get some oil and spread it. Then you fry the tofu. Then you get those vegetables and put it in here. Then you're all done. Just a smell test. Okay.
You don't have to drop it
Be
from so top.
careful
Kanda.
on this.
You don't have to drop it from so high. Do it like this.
No, it'll hurt me. That?
Yeah.
Guys, hi, welcome back. You see over here, there's some capsicums and onions. Like they're cooked right now. And if I pour this inside,
What is this?
and if I pour tofu inside, and I usually call it this, because you don't know what it is. So if you pour tofu inside and we mix it, the tofu is done. So now we have to put this sauce. I don't even know what it's called.
It's called soy sauce.
Okay, it's called soya sauce. I'm going to put it inside. Like that. And now we have 2 more sauces to put in inside. It might be a lot noise. Now we're putting some normal sauce.
What is this?
Now we're putting some normal sauce.
Ketchup.
Now we're putting some ketchup.
What did we miss?
What? And we have one more thing to put. Little curry sauce. Not
What
too
is-
much.
What is this?
Curry sauce. That might be too much. I'm gonna mix straight away. And I'm done. That's how we make tofu. It's all crispy and done over there. Bye guys, I'm gonna head up back. Hi, this is me if you see again. I made this tofu. It's actually smelling good. And it's made by a kid chef. And it tastes good. And it's very good. And I made it. You help me a little bit?